All right, guys, here we are with another exciting episode of Priority Mail, and I got a screw. Oh God! Oh my God! Betty! Oh wait, a note. Hey Braille, my name is Aaron Giles, and I'm a huge fan of the channel. I thought it was finally time to contribute to the You Make It, We Skate It series. You guys have inspired me to stay on top of my skating as a 33-year-old father of 2. I've always enjoyed introducing people to skating and felt that it was important to stay patient and psyched to keep them motivated to keep trying and having fun. I just realized this screw went through this. You guys do a great job doing exactly that. Wow. Whoa. See that Gabe Cruz face? My 3-year-old daughter goes skating with me all the time and she loves it. I hope to teach her the basics like you guys do so she can enjoy the process as much as Dad does. So one day when I was putting my daughter's hair up in a ponytail, I thought, bing! It would be a good idea to completely cover a skateboard with rubber bands for grip tape. The thing that I like about this, you can put your feet in there.
We have
right?
Oh, that's
right?
Oh, yeah.
Am I right?
Yes.
It took a total of 225 jumbo-sized rubber bands to get full coverage.
But who's counting?
It was very tempted to try it for myself, but I didn't want to have to re-grip it, so you guys will be the first to test it out. I hope I used it for the last time for a game of skate. I hope I used it enough for a... Let me try this again. I hope I used enough rubber bands for it to last a full game of skate. Here's the link to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/Giles, G-U-I-L-E-S. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And my Instagram, @AaronGiles. P.S. Tell Fetty I'm sorry in advance. The no slide attempt might be a bit of a stretch.
What you mean?
So instead I challenge him to do a backsmith on as many things as possible. What? I hope he can keep it together. Oh snap.
I'm happy to see us all banding together.
We're not using these.
Why?
We need to put new wheels on these.
Why?
You can't backsmith with tiny wheels.
You can't?
No.
Do you want to use different trucks?
No, these are good. The wheels are small. If we do put like prime stuff on here, we'll get the best quality. Well, these are the best trucks we got.
Out of all 785,000 sets of trucks, wheels, and or bearings, this is all we have to use. Justin Bebo.
Oh wow, we're skating the tight wheels?
Yeah, see?
Oh, you don't want to?
Here, why don't we change them out?
Yeah, I got wheels right here.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, Fetty, we put on the right wheels for you. Can we get the band back together now?
Oh. Wow.
All right, kickflip off. Let's go. Oh. Whoa! First try!
Should we just do the largest game of skate ever?
Yeah.
Largest game of skate ever. Rochambeau.
Rowan, get in here. Whatever you want.
I'll just attempt everything.
Whatever you want, bro.
Feisty cadaver skates too.
Oh.
That was...
No, you guys lost.
Ready?
Everyone who threw scissors.
I don't know what happened. What?
Everyone is sitting down here.
Oh my god. How does this even work with this man?
Oh!
Wait,
First,
oh yeah,
You two for first and second.
Oh, right.
Daniel.
Sorry.
I'm first? No.
First, second, and then...
I can't do any tricks.
Oh god, I'm second to last. Jeez.
I'm after Gabe.
Yeah, I'll do that. What was that?
Yeah, right.
Get out of here. I'm third.
Rowan, start it off.
Just forewarning, I know 2 tricks. So
Prove it.
prove it. I don't know.
No, I'm not going to count it.
Snap that one, boy.
Oh, snap back.
Oh, it's so slippery. I tried.
I'm gonna hate myself for this, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Yep, stupid.
Hey, Bono. Yes, Gabe. Oh!
That was just to inconvenience.
Please, everyone put the safety goggles on. Too much steez, bruh. Don't break the straps. Rowan, don't get hurt.
No promises.
Is this the end of Rowan?
Someone give me a push.
Defense! Oh! Woo!
That's what I was going for.
That's it. Talk some smack. Talk some smack.
I would have rather done just a back 180.
Gabe did a back three first try.
I know, it's really sickening. Best day in Gabe's life.
Nigel, give me a push. I can't. No, no. Okay, okay.
I need a push.
Oh, grab that lead.
Good thing you had safety goggles.
Do normal things. Oh my god. There's no grip.
Larger margin for error on offense.
I was stretching it, but we're gonna count it. Discovered a little pump. Let's get it.
I don't feel as bad. Yes.
It's cool that you love kickflips so much.
I hate them.
What? Like what? Like what? No! Whoa. Let's get it, Troy. Let's get it.
Please, kickflip gods.
Calm down, Elastigirl.
Rowan's on offense. First time, let's go. There it is.
Too much speed, too much speed.
You know what, Gabe? Just for you, I'm gonna do a hill flip. I'm gonna ruin my whole thing. Oh god.
That's my boy!
Yes!
That's my boy! That's my boy! Oh, don't kill him.
I want to scream.
Oh, it's a regular heel flip?
Dude, we do not do cheating here. I'm sorry, but Aaron will not get out in a game of skate. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. No, Troy tried it, he failed. He doesn't like doing heel flips because he did it one time and it went straight up his ass.
I've never even tried a heel flip.
You got it.
Well done.
Half a flip.
Are you happy you played or?
I want to go home.
That was too clean, too clean, too clean, Gucci gang, Gucci
I had to bend and snap. What movie is that from?
Holy crap, that is heavy.
Oh, there's a little sweet spot.
He will not get a letter. You're like rubber and they're glue. Everything they do bounces off them and sticks off you.
Bend and snap.
Gucci gang.
All right, I'm actually gonna try this one. Sorry.
I'm fine.
loudest sound ever. Oh my god.
Oh, I almost messed that up so bad.
They're calling that they don't like my trick. Should I do a different trick?
Yeah.
I mean, roly poly?
Yeah, do a different trick.
Okay.
In the risk of getting Fetty mad, we're gonna call a rebate. All right, we're gonna count it.
I hate this board.
You played good.
No.
Hey. Oh man. I did the scariest thing ever. I call that Eddie the Eagle.
How do you even fit both of your feet in here? Okay, this is dumb. Here we go. Alright, this sucks already.
That was terrifying to watch.
Very hard.
I feel like I have the most near-death experiences in here. and
Yes.
I know that this is high likely scenario of it.
Producer, can we get him a helmet?
Oh God. I'm sending it.
Send it.
All right.
San Diego.
That sucks to go out like that.
I really want to win a game of skate one of these days.
Count it or not?
I don't know.
I'll do it again?
Well, no. I'm just gonna count it. We're gonna count it.
God. Just got to tee. Like, I didn't even get a chance to, like.
All right, so what should we do next?
Shouldn't we backsmith it?
This is after you said, dude, if someone tried to backsmith on this, you'd really eat it.
Let's get it. It's what Little Pump would do.
Rubber bands though. Check out the damage report.
Damage report. Dude, look at that spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
That's good. That's spaghetti.
It's almost a heavy.
Let's get it! You count it?
One more.
Yes.
Let's just do the 5.
I think the rubber bands are getting in the wheels and stuff. It's like gremlins, you know? They're like in the wires and stuff.
Yeah, gizmo.
Yeah. Yeah. Well done. Well done.
I have a little tail, you see this?
Yeah. Like, look at that. That looks so crazy looking. Oh my god.
Looks like spaghetti.
Dude, okay.
Alright, you're gonna land bottom flip on the stairs. I'm gonna tray flip over it.
Yeah. Dude, stop.
Let's get a little pump jet ski.
Thank you. No, seriously, like, you guys have the best ideas. We're clean out of ideas, if you hadn't noticed. We ran out of ideas hundreds of years ago, other than the 200 boxes that you guys have sent us that are in the back, waiting to be opened. Thank you for continuing to send in these. If you have a good idea, send it to us in email form with pictures. Skate it at brailleskateboarding.com. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, check out all the other videos in this playlist, and leave a comment below. Straight to Nigel's